Why does transfers make sense over screen printing, or why screen printing over? The truth is, when you walk into any of these big ass shops, and we talking big, you know what I'm saying? Bro, you ain't got an auto. You know what I'm saying? I've been in the shop with 2 manuals, not one. You know what I mean? When you doing everything yourself, you got to look at the time that you're putting into the work that you're doing. When you look at the time that you're putting into the work that you're doing, it all makes sense. Forget how much a transfer costs you. Look at what you can get done. I'm going to give you a scenario. We had a job come in, I think it was like 450 something shirts, right? It would have took 13 hours to do all of the impressions that at full speed, which is like literally, it was 13 hours worth of work. I would have saved some money. Basically, I would have saved $200 for the hourly rate versus just flat out outsourcing, not even buying transfers. I flat out outsourced it. It cost me $200 more. But I looked at the time that I would have had that employee working, which was 13 hours, and I said, hey, can I have that employee make me $200 in less than 13 hours? And the answer to that question is undoubtedly, hell yeah, easily. She could do some custom shirts. She could clean up in the store or whatever, or do inventory, and her time would be way more valuable from that standpoint, right? So this job, she pretty much got done. I just got to finish this stack and this stack of sleeves. So why are transfers a valuable option? Listen, screen printing is a trade. I don't know what y'all people think. You think you're going to get a screen print machine and it's going to be hunky-dory, peachy creamy all the way through? You're just going to be out printing? No, it's not. It doesn't work like that. It just does not work like that. You need to learn the process. You need to go to some training, and you're going to get back to your shop, and things are not going to be exactly how you had them in training. You know what I mean? The thing about screen printing is, yes, it's the most cost-effective way. I do not want to screen print nothing over 2 colors. It just don't make sense. I do not want to screen print nothing hard. I'll do it one time. I enjoy the craft. I enjoy figuring things out and learning simulated process and lining up a 5-color job. But who wants to do a 5-color front, a 3-color sleeve, and a 2-color back on a shirt? If you ain't got an auto, it don't make no sense to do that stuff.